Khalida Zia has been released and the Jamaat-e-Islami is of course very active. What are the discussions regarding the interim government, and how long will it last, and which parties will be included in that, and will this government also be formed according to the students' wishes?
Actually, yes, Khalida Zia has been released and Jamaat is very active, and today, even after more than decades, the office headquarters of Jamaat opened today, though the condition of the office was very vulnerable. And I went there in that press conference, and Jamaat leader said that they already meet Khalida Zia, and Jamaat leader, the top leader of Jamaat, said that as this is an outcome of revolution and sacrifice of the students, so they will listen the student more. And Jamaat also called on the army chief to listen very carefully the students' demands. And seemingly the students now so much smart, and even after this revolution, there is no police on the streets, even no traffic police. And today, when I wandered several places of capital Dhaka, I saw that there was no traffic police, and all the students who took part in the code reform movement, they are now controlling the traffic of the roads, so that people do not suffer. And even the students clean the road, they clean the parliament buildings. So the role of a student is very surprising, and this is the analysts say that this is the character of Z generation. Now Bangladesh, they're so much smart, and they know how to tackle the obstacles. And even yesterday, in many parts of the country, the temples of Hindus were protected by the students. And the whole night, they guarded those temples, because they were in confusion that the supporters of Awami League and the miscreants from Awami League may do any anarchy and may attack the temples, so that they can blame the protesters. So students are so much conscious about all sorts of disorders coming from any side. This is a very positive side for the country.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।